Yan po yung mga bayaran na ABS-CBN. Ngayon sabi niya, I can stand up in front of the building where the president was detained, but they know that I am pro-PRRD. Now they are no longer interested that I'll be interviewed. Hello, andito na po kami sa facilities ng saan po nila dinala si President. Ngayon, we are trying to make an appointment. Pete will doing for the appointment na unsa-una mo padala ang jacket, pagkaon, but I know we are not allowed for the food, but as long as we have the appointment, they try, because itong mga kasama ko nurse, and then gusto nilang makita ang health status nating presidente, and we know that our president March 28, I think, his birthday, and he's 80 years old, and inilagay nila dito, napakalamig right now, malamig masyado dito. So we have also a GMA here, mga Tagalog, and we said nasasaktan kami with the ABS or the GMA because hindi sincerong nagmamahayag kung ano ang katotohanan, ano ang mga feelings ng ating mga kababayan dito sa ito, galing ito sila sa Belgium. The other, Germany, this is Germany, Belgium. Wala po kaming bayad, hindi po kami binabayaran na andito, sarili namin ang pagpunta dito. Sariling pera, sarili naming gastos. So kami, naka-hotel kami. We spend more than 100 euro para lang makapunta. So now Pete is doing good para sa appointment nila with a lady from Germany there para makapasok. We are trying our best to get an appointment, and we call inside. Ikaw from Hamburg, Germany, anong masasabi mo sa ating presidente na ngayon gidetain nila dito sa penitentiary interesting Haglanden na wala pong hindi po ating bansa ito. Kung nagkasalang ang isang Pilipino, he should be tried in our own country, in the Philippines, because we believe that the president is a Filipino, a real Filipino. He loves the Filipinos. Meron din po tayo dito, ito sila po mga Pilipino rin, hindi ko rin alam kung ang pamamahayag nila ay makatotohanan. Kami po ay andito, walang bayad para kunin ano po yung totoo. So kami ay nagagrupo rin dahil natatakot kami na sa ibang mga we are here, we are not paid by the Marcos. No. Yeah, we are here to sympathize. We are from Belgium, Germany, and Germany with our own money.
Our reporter from ako rin ABS-CBN, Sen Hernandez po.
Sen Hernandez.
She's also reporting, ano yan, taga dito.
I'm an ex-mayor of Cabacan.
Talaga?
I'm a two-termer. My husband is also a mayor. And
gagamitin nyo lang kami eh. Bakit naman kayo kay Duterte?
She's a nurse. Yeah. She tried to check the health of our president. He's an 80 years old by March 28.
So pwede nga po,
he was kidnapped in the Philippines.
Oo. Kasi parang we will mention na nandito yung supporters. Sa totoo lang, syempre may magsasabi na hindi pinapakita ang supporters now. We're showing people.
Yeah. You can show us that we are not paid.
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
And he's my husband.
Are you married to
Yeah.
Yeah.
He married at the Bawenya.
From the Philippines. Yeah.
Yeah.
All the way here.
Ja, they're born in bed.
Email mo, Pete.
So you helped her like fly
I'm
over here?
Ben Herman, hè?
Yeah.
Na-live ka ba?
Hindi.
Pero pwede,
Yeah,
baka
siguro.
pwede po na makita kayo. Kung gusto niyo lang
Oh, yeah, pwede.
sa likod niyo.
Yeah, we can. Yeah, she is asking, Pete.
I requested them to, parang show up at your
Yeah, because we are the supporter, so that they can see that we are here from Belgium, Germany, and we are not paid by the Marcos. We
Pero
are
papakita
here.
lang po kayo.
Yeah,
Na para masabi niya na
Yeah.
may mga pumunta po dito na supporters.
We make an appointment to talk to the president.
Magkakasama po kayo.
Yeah.
Diba? Ayan.
No. Hiwalay.
You don't know how
Naka-hotel
to
kami.
make an apartment to enter the
Oh yeah, it's all right, Pete. Do the appointment, the abstract.
Yeah, but I
Yeah.
I don't know the phone number.
Yeah, there the email. Make an email. That is your work. That is your helping hand to us Filipino here in Belgium. Yeah, here is the.
Hindi ko na alam. Okay na yan.
Kinina po ang ating presidente na 80 years old by March 28 without any process. Napakasakit na tayong mga politiko. I'm an ex-mayor of Kabakan for 2 terms and my husband too. But I was here in Belgium because I was married and given a child. Of course, yeah. Because my Filipino kababayan there love to see where is the president. Here, napakalamig po. It's 8 degrees. Ang kamay po namin ay tumitigas. Ang aming kaloobo ay umiiyak. What happened to our dear and beloved president? Dito po, nilakan namin ito. No, the car. The car cannot.
I cannot.
It's all right, Pete. It's all right.
Okay.
Yeah, it's all right.
Let you stay there.
Yeah, you stay here.
Here, okay.
Yeah.
Heb je kunnen bellen?
Pete, the abstract. Now they said that they want to get my ano yan, yung opinion.
Ik heb ook geprobeerd. Het was een signaal.
Hindi, sabihin ko.
Wala silang infotainment.
Ha?
Ay, dili sila kasabot. Sa kasabot.
Ah.
Ayaw pag-share og info.
Speak Netherlands here.
Pete, you just the one who talk. The support because you are very good in Netherlands. So that they understand even Netherlands. That's people helping the president.
They are the people who are against the president.
Yeah.
We know them.
Mm.
And they are using us because they don't understand. They cannot go inside and ask them. That's why they want to ask
not
us.
allowed.
They want
We
to
cannot do
interview.
anything. We need to
We have to do something.
send email.
No,
or
it's
something.
ringing.
Okay, ringing. What ik ben Philippines.
Balat.
We are making an appointment now. Rara lang go. Yeah.
Okay, is goed.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
Pete, help them.
Nee, it's a sound.
Yeah.
Wait, wacht in. It's altered. Selta.
nakikuan man sila sa amo mo ride sila sa amo kay sila kasabot unsa daw kay nagistorya na mo ko dito sa kuan penitentiary center sa gidala gid nila diri sa prisuhan ha
makuan jud sila na bayaran. Yan po yung mga bayaran na ABS-CBN. Ngayon sabi niya I can stand up in front of the building where the president was detained, but they know that I am pro PRRD. Now they are no longer interested that I'll be interviewed. Okay, it's very good. And here we are, mga Bisaya na talagang lumalaban ng katotohanan. And this one, mga nurse, gusto namin makapasok lang, makita lang namin ano ang kalagayan ng ating presidente. So, ito sila, hindi rin makapasok, but they try to use us. And then, ano yung mga
Hindi na sila magpa-interview. Hindi man kung mubanat lang ka.
mabanat tadi man sila gusto.
Tama yun, kaya nakita na po nga mga balay ba? Sila sa atbang ang mga tao. Tama yun.
Wala paghapon else?
Can we open on online, please?
Dapat magkuan jud ta kay maudan na punta og baterya ani.
Ikaw daw, sis.
Di daw siya kadungog.
Ikanit foreign. Yeah. Wak.
Hindi pa kami nakapasok sa appointment. What is it? Di siya. 4:30. It means what time is it?
Dili na ko kay naglubat na ko.
I-email man ka.
Nag-email na.
Nag-email na?
Dili man wala mo kuan, dili mo access. Unsa may email? Wala man. Panguta pangayo mo. Kali ko. Sa mga pin. Pangayo email address dito. Another number sis, ina.
Yeah, we cannot.
And it's bragging for that.
Oo, nagatang siya.
Mhm.
Sulod si ate. Hindi sila kasabot.
Kaning mga Bisaya, ang mga Tagalog din ha. Di sila kasabot sa tuwa.
Aptik ay na si ayo kong pagtagalog.
Mo lagi.
Oh, unsa man mo Dutch man ay mo ni? Dili ni
German.
Oh, German.
Oh.
Danke schön.
Ingat po tayo dito. Kabila is ABS-CBN and GMA. Tapos kanina gusto nila akong interviewin nung nalaman nila na we sympathize with the president. Nag-undang na sila mag-interview sa ato. It's alright. Ang amin lang is para makita nila na we are here for the PRRDs. Ang kanyang kalusugan at may kasama kaming mga nurse from Belgium.
Sira ako dito at tanawa na po nagdala ng mga jacket ang Duterte.
Oo.
Nabag-o ba yan ang mga dala? Pati medyas, bag-o niyo.
Sayang nga ni, hindi niya madala.
Underwear.
Nagsige pa taglakaw, hindi man niya madala matag.
Oh, inspection mo.
Sige ra.
Wala daw silang kamalo. Sa headquarter jud.
Mo ato na punta headquarters.
Sa kanang
Pangutana sa headquarter.
What ba yung banner, darling? Sa headquarter. Kay naman
Speed.
check car. Ingon siya na wala gid mi kabalo na kay kami
Di- asa naman to?
mag-process kung unsay request.
Asa na to siya?
Oh, processing ra
Yeah,
ni.
dili
Diri nila gidetain. Mag-process ta.
Pero mo dawat nga gikan sa headquarter.
Sa tingin ko lang gagi kuan kanang ikuha ni pitang sakyanan.
Yeah, mas
Para kani ayaw gyud mo kuan kanang
siguro inyo nang gipriso ng tao kay kon pero dili mo kanang minseleksen dadun yun linit akong
Meaning?
akong ginadala kanang human ba we are all human wala mo paki. Hypocrite mo.
Katawag yun ko. Nanay nagsulti, ang kanang babae daw, si Sen Hernandez, tung ABS-CBN, nung nalaman pro PRDC, Madam, dili nag-i-interview. Always take care, Madam Luz Baker. Thank you, Risa Galay. I don't know her. What's from Dubai, Madam.